Welcome to our maths class. In our previous class, we have completed how to multiply fraction with a fraction. How to multiply fraction with a fraction. How to multiply fraction with a fraction. For example, if I have taken 3 by 7 is one fraction. Another fraction I have taken 5 by 2. Now these are two fractions. Multiplication of fraction with a fraction we have learned. How to multiply these two fractions now? If you want to multiply the fractions, first of all, you have to check either any numerator or any denominator are possible to cut. If there is a possibility, you have to cut that. Otherwise, there is no need to cut. Simply you have to multiply the numerators and write the answer. You have to multiply the denominators and write the answer. Now check here. There is no more possibility to cut. 3 and 2 both are not possible. 5 and 7 both are not possible. 3 and 7 not possible. 5 and 2 not possible. So here we don't have any possibility to cut. Then what you have to do? If you don't have any possibility, then you have to multiply both the numerators. What are the numerators here? 3 and 5 both are the numerators. What are the denominators here? 7 and 2 both are the denominators. Now multiply both the numerators. 3 into 5 by, what are the denominators here? 7 into 2. 7 into 2. Now 3 5s are 15. 7 2s are 14. So answer is 15 by 14. If there is a possibility, you have to cut. Otherwise, if you don't have any possibility, simply you have to multiply both the numerators and write the answer. You have to multiply both the denominators and write the answer. Next, more an example. 8 by 6 into 7 by 4 I have taken. 8 by 6 into 7 by 4. Now 8 by 6 is one fraction, 7 by 4 is another fraction. Multiplication of these two fractions. Now check, is there any possibility to cut? Yes, there is a possibility. If you want to cut, you can cut these two also, you can cut these two also. No problem, anything. We'll take these two. Both are possible to cut in two tables. Every one of you know two tables. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. Completed. Next, check here. More any possibility to cut here? Yes, there is a possibility. What is that? Here we have 4, here we have 4. Numerator and denominator. I said already, if you want to cut, you can cut any numerator and denominator. You should not cut numerator and denominator. Now see here. Numerator and denominator. Now you can cut 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4. Here, is there any more possibility? No, there is no more possibility. If you don't have any more possibility, then what you have to do? Simply have to multiply the numerators and write the answer. Multiply the denominators and write the answer. What are the numerators here? 1 and 7. Both are numerators. 1 into, what is the other numerator? 7 by 3 into 1. So multiply. 1 7s are 7. 3 1s are 3. So answer is 7 by 3. Understand, children? Like this. If there is a possibility to cut, you have to cut and find the answer. If there is no more possibility, you have to do like this. So this is about multiplication of fractions. If we have completed this, then we will go to the exercise 3. In our exercise 3, we have multiplication of fractions. In exercise 3, we have multiplication of fractions. Now, exercise 3. First bit. Find each of the following products. Find each of the following products. PRODUCPS. Now, they have given questions. First question, 5 by 6 into 7 by 11. 5 by 6 into 7 by 11. Now find the solution. 5 by 6 into 7 by 11. Now check here. Is there any possibility to cut? No, there is no more possibility. If you don't have any possibility, then what you have to do? Simply you have to multiply the numerators and write the answer. Multiply the denominators and write the answer. What are the numerators here? 5 and 7, both are the numerators. What are the denominators here? 6 and 11, both are the denominators. Now multiply the numerators, Nana. 5 into 7 by, what are denominators. 6 into 11. 6 into 11. Now multiply. 5 sevens are 35. 6 elevens are 66. 35 by 66 is the answer. Next, second question is 6 into 1 by 5. 6 into 1 by 5. Here this 6 is numerator. Already in our previous classes we have learned if you don't have any denominator, then you have to take the denominator as 1. So in the place of the 6 denominator we have to take 1. Solution 6 by 1. We can consider 6 by 1 is 6 only. So 6 by 1 into 1 by 5 is equal to. Here also there is no more possibility to cut. Cut and possibility madam 1 1 unnai kada cut chesante. If you take one table again you will get 1 1 1 1. If you get 1 1 then no need to cut. 1 1 unte cut cheyalina avasram ledhu kada. So multiply the numerator. 6 into 1 by 1 into 5. 6 ones are 6, 5 ones are 5. So the answer is 6 by 5. Next, third question is 2 into 1 by 3. Third one, 2 into 1 by 3 into 3 into 1 by 5. 2 into 1 by 3 into 3 into 1 by 5. Both are mixed fractions. Both are mixed fractions. Do you know how to convert? If you have a mixed fraction, first of all you have to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. ఎప్పుడైనా సరే గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి మిక్స్డ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ అంటే దాన్ని కంపల్సరీగా ఇంప్రాపర్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ లోకి కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి. Now here they have given two mixed fractions. They have given two mixed fractions. We have to convert the two mixed fractions into improper fractions. Do you know how to convert a mixed fraction into improper fraction? Yes, you know how to convert. You have to multiply these two and you have to add the numerator. 2 3s are 6. For the 6 you have to add the numerator. What is the numerator here? 1. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. 7 by 3. It is the first fraction. Now here also same like that only. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 1 16. 16 by 5. It is another fraction. Now find the solution. 2 into 1 by 3 into 3 into 1 by 5. Multiply 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. 7 by 3 into 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 1 16. 16 by 5. In the denominator, what we have in the denominator, that denominator only we have to write. మనకు denominator లో ఇక్కడ fraction లో ఏ denominator అయితే ఉందో అదే denominator ని మనం as గా రాసుకోవాలి. So here we have 3, I have written 3. Here we have 5, I have written 5. Now completed. Now check here, is there any possibility to cut? No, there is no more possibility to cut. Now simply have to multiply the numerators. What are the numerators here? 7 and 16 both are the numerators. What are the denominators here? 3 and 5. Both are the denominators. Now multiply these numerators. 7 into 16 by 3 into 5. Now 16 sevens are 112. 3 5s are 50. Like this, it is the first bit. Find the product of the following. Next, second bit is there. Multiply and reduce to lowest form. Second bit is multiply and reduce to lowest form. Next, second bit, multiply and reduce to lowest form. In the second bit, first question is 2 by 3 into 5 into 1 by 5. Now, have you understood the question, Nana? Multiply and reduce to lowest form. We have to, first of all, we have to multiply the given fraction. Afterwards, we have to convert that fraction into, we have to reduce that fraction into lowest form. Reduce means తగ్గించడం. Reduce means తగ్గించడం. దాన్ని ఎంత చిన్నగా possible అయితే చిన్నగా తగ్గించాలి. ఓకేనా? ఎలా తగ్గించాలో చూద్దాం చూడండి. For example, Instead of question, I am taking an example. If I have taken 10 by 12, I have taken 10 by 12. Now 10 by 2 is in the form of greater number. Now I want to reduce this 10 by 12 into lowest form. How to reduce the 10 by 12 into lowest form loki reduce cheyalantunnanu. Ela cheyali? That means now you have to check either these two numbers are possible to cut in any table. Yes, there is a possibility, that is 2 table. 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12. Now here we got 5 by 6. 5 and 6 both are possible to cut any table? No, there is no more possibility. So the lowest form of 10 by 12 is 5 by 6. Understand? Here my example I have taken 8 by 4. What is the reduced form of 8 by 4 Nana? 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 2 by 1, that means 2 only. Like this, you have to cut and you have to find. That means if we have a greater number, then we have to show the greater number in the smaller number. మనకున్న గ్రేటర్ నెంబర్ ని రెడ్యూస్ చేసి స్మాలర్ నెంబర్ లో చూపించడానికి ఏమంటారంటే రెడ్యూసింగ్ ఫార్మ్ అంటారు. ఓకే, now solution 2 by 3. Already 2 by 3 is an improper fraction, there is no need to convert. After 2 by 3 we have 2 by 3 sorry, we have 5 into 5 by 5. This 5 into 1 by 5 is a mixed fraction. 5 into 1 by 5 is a mixed fraction. How to convert a mixed fraction into improper fraction? How to convert Nana? By multiplication and by addition. Now multiply. 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 1, 26. So 26 by what is the denominator? 5. You have to write 5 like that. As it is you have to write. Now check here. To convert the given fraction into its lowest form, to convert the given fraction into its lowest form, is there any possibility to cut? వాళ్ళు ఇచ్చిన ఫ్రాక్షన్ ని రెడ్యూస్ ఫార్మ్ లోకి లోయెస్ట్ ఫార్మ్ లోకి కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలంటే చెక్ చేసుకోండి, ఇక్కడ ఏదైనా పాసిబిలిటీ ఉందా కట్ చేయడానికి? 2 and 3 both are prime numbers, there is no possibility to cut. 2 and 5 here also both are prime numbers, there is no more possibility to cut. 3 and 26, here 26 is not a prime number but 3 is a prime number. In the 3 table 26 is not possible, so here we don't have any possibility. Possibility లేదు కదా, possibility లేనప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలంటే simply have to multiply the numerators and write the answer, multiply the denominators and write the answer. What are the numerators here? 2 and 26 both are numerators. What are the denominators here? 3 and 5 both the denominators. Now 2 into 26 by 3 into 5. 26 2s are 2, 6s are 12, 1 becomes carry, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5. 52 by 15. 52 by 15. 52 by 15. These two numbers are possible to cut in any one table? No, there is no more possibility. So multiply and reduce to lowest form. We have multiplied. Multiplication has completed. But to convert the given fraction into its lowest form, there is no more possibility to cut. So you have to leave like that only. If there is a possibility, you have to cut. If you don't have any possibility, then you should leave like this one. Like that only. Next, second question is 2 by 7 into 1 by 3. 2 by 7 into 1 by 3. Now see here, 2 by 7 both are in improper fractions only. There is no mixed fraction. Mixed fraction name like that. So 2 by 7 into 1 by 3. Now is there any possibility to cut? Any possibility in the cut cheyadaniki? No. 2 and 7 both are prime numbers. 2 and 3 both are prime numbers. 1 and 7. 1 is not a prime number but 7 is a prime. 1 is not a prime number but 7 is a prime number. But here we don't have any possibility. What you have to do if you don't have any possibility? Possibility lekapothe em cheyalana? You have to multiply the numerators. Now what are the numerators here? 2 and 1. What are the denominators here? 7 and 3. Now multiply them. 2 into 1 by 7 into 3. So 2 1s are 2. 7 3s are 21. So the answer is 2 by 21. Next question is 9 by 3 into 5 by 5. 9 by 3 into 5 by 5. Now here also both are improper fractions only, there is no need to convert. So you have to write like this one. Now check here, is there any possibility to cut for these two fractions? ఈ two fractions కి కట్ చేయడానికి ఏదైనా possibility ఉందా? Yes, there is a possibility, that is both are numerator and denominator, both are 5s only, so you can cut in 5 table. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. Has completed. Next, come to the first fraction. Here 9 and 3, numerator and denominator both are possible in 3 tables. So 3 ones are 3, 3 3s are 9. Understand? 5 ones are 5. Here numerator and denominator both are same. So you can take 5 table. 5 table తీసుకొని రెండు కట్ చేయొచ్చు. Numerator, denominator. మేడం numerator ని ఒక టేబుల్ లో denominator ని ఒక టేబుల్ లో కట్ చేయొచ్చు అంటే no. For numerator and denominator you have to take only one table. Here for this numerator and denominator I have taken 5 table only. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. Here also for numerator and for denominator I have taken 3 table only. 3 ones are 3, 3 3s are 9. Understand? Numerator ni denominator ni కట్ చేయడానికి ఒకటే టేబుల్ ని మాత్రమే యూజ్ చేయాలి. Numerator ని ఒక టేబుల్ లో denominator ని ఇంకొక టేబుల్ లో కట్ చేయకూడదు. ఓకేనా? Now 3 1 1 1. There is no more possibility, so multiply the numerators. The numerators are 3 into 1 and the denominators are 1 into 1. 3 ones are 3 by 1 ones are 1. 3 by 1 we have to consider that as 3 only. If we have 1 in the denominator, then there is no need to count that 1. 3 by 1 is equal to 3 only. So like this. Here for first and second fractions, for first and second problems, there is no more possibility to cut. So we didn't reduce into its lowest form. Possibility లేదు కాబట్టి వాటిని reduce form లోకి కన్వర్ట్ చేయలేదు. For third question, there is a possibility to convert into its lowest form. So we have multiplied that fraction and we have converted the given fraction into its lowest form. The lowest form of 9 by 3 into 5 by 5 is 3. Like this you have to convert. Understand? Second bit has completed. Now third bit they have given which one is greater. Which one is greater? Now second bit has completed. Third bit. Now before going to learn about third bit, now 52 by 15 is the improper fraction. They asked to convert into reduced form, but we did not reduce. If there is possibility to convert improper fraction to mixed fraction, then you have to convert. It is an improper fraction. We can convert improper fraction to mixed fraction. How to convert? By division. Now do division here. 15 with 52. Now in 15 table 52 is possible. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45, 15 fours are 60. So 15 threes are 45. 2 minus 5 is not possible. Then you have to take bar. It becomes 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. 5 becomes 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. No need. So how to write nana first? 3 into 7 by 15. 15 threes are 45. 45 plus 7. 52 by 15. 3 into 7 by 15. We did not convert. There is no possibility to cut. So if there is possibility, if there is no possibility, then what you have to do? You have to convert the given fraction into, if there is improper fraction. If it is an improper fraction, then convert that improper fraction into mixed fraction. The conversion of 52 by 15 into mixed fraction is 3 into 7 by 15. First bit also nana, I did not say if there is a possibility, then you have to convert. First bit lo kuda మనం ఆన్సర్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసాం కదా, మిక్స్డ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ లోకి కన్వర్ట్ చేయడానికి పాసిబిలిటీ ఉంటే కన్వర్ట్ చేయండి. when will you convert into a mixed fraction? Mixed fraction లోకి ఎప్పుడు కన్వర్ట్ చేయగలుగుతాము అంటే if it is a improper fraction. If it is a improper fraction. What is mean by improper fraction? In the improper fraction we have greater numerator, smaller denominator. Improper fraction లో ఏముంటుంది? Numerator పెద్దగా ఉంటుంది, denominator చిన్నగా ఉంటుంది. So here there is a possibility we have converted. Here it is proper fraction. So we cannot convert. Here we have only one number, so there is no need to convert. Just only for first bit you have to check. First bit ki check చేయండి. ఒకవేళ possibility ఉంటే అది వచ్చిన ఆన్సర్ ఒక improper fraction అయితే దాన్ని mixed fraction లోకి కన్వర్ట్ చేయండి. Now first second bit has completed. Now third bit is which one is greater? Third bit is which one is greater? Which which one is greater? First question. 2 by 5 of 4 by 7 or 3 by 4 of 1 by 2. Now they have given two fractions, 2 by 5 of 4 by 7 and 3 by 4 of 1 by 2. Out of these two fractions, which is the greater one, they are asking. Which is the greater one? First of all, we'll convert. We have learned about half, Nana. So we have learned about half. What is meant by half, Nana? Not half, half. What is half? Half means into. Already we have learned in our previous class. In the class half represents into. So 2 by 5 of solution 2 by 5 of 4 by 7, that is equal to 2 by 7. Half means into, you have to write, that is 4 by 7. Is there any possibility to cut? Ikkada edaina cut cheyadaniki possibility unda? No. So what you have to do? Multiply the numerators. 2 into 4 by 5 into 7. It gives 2 4s are 8 by 5 7s are 35. Now take the second one. 3 by 4 of 1 by 2. Half represents into. Here also 3 by 4. Half means into. 1 by 2 you have to write as it is. Now multiply. Here also there is no more possibility. Madam, here we have 2, here we have 4. We can cut on it. Here there is a possibility we have to cut. No, here it is not possibility. Both are denominators only. Rendu denominators kada. Cut cheyadaniki possibility unda? Ledu. If you have two denominators, then should not cut that. So multiply 3 into 1 by 4 into 2. 3 ones are 3 by 4 twos are 8. Now we have completed 8 by, for the first fraction we got answer 8 by 35, for the second one we got 3 by 8. Now can you say out of these two fractions which is the greater one and which is the smaller one? Now see here how to find which is the greater one and which is the smaller one. For first one we got 8 by 35, or here we have R only, so 3 by 8. To find the greater fraction and to find the smaller fraction, first of all we have to convert the given fractions into like fractions. Addition of fractions నేర్చుకున్నాం కదా. Addition చేసే ముందు first ఆ fractions ని like fractions లోకి convert చేసాం కదా. Here also we have to convert the fractions into like fractions. Then we will go for which is the greater one, which is smaller one. 8 by 35. Now simply multiply like this. Multiply the first fraction with second fraction denominator. Multiply the second fraction with first fraction denominator. Instead of that, we can take the LCM for both the denominators also. If you want to take, then we will take like that also. 35 and both are now 2 table. 35 is not possible. 2 4s are 8. In 2 table, 35 is not possible. Again, we have to write as it is. 2 2s are 4. Now 2 is a prime number. Up to prime number, LCM is enough. Now 35. 35 means 5 7s are 35. 5 7s are 35. In 5 table, 2 is not possible. You have to write like that. Now 2 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number. So up to here LCM is enough. Now multiply all the numbers. 2 into 2 into 5 into 7 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 5s are 20. 27s are 140. 142s are 280. Our LCM will becomes greater. So LCM పెద్దగా అవుతుంది కదా నాన్న. So there is no need to take LCM. Without doing LCM, we go for the solution. LCM తీసుకోకుండానే solution find out చేద్దాము. Same like now. Multiply the first fraction with second fraction denominator. What is the second fraction denominator? 8. So multiply with 8 and 8, or 3 by 8 into, multiply the second fraction with first fraction denominator. What is the first fraction denominator? 35. Multiply both the numerator and denominator with 35. Now 8 8s are 64 by 35 8s are 8 5s are 40. 0 you have to write here, 4 becomes carry. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 3, 27. Or now 35 3s are 3 5s are 15. Always you have to multiply ones place number. In the ones place we have 5, so 3 5s are 15. 1 I have written here, 5 I have written here. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1 10. By 35 8s are, here also we got 35 8s are 270. Now we have converted the given fractions into like fractions. Now If the denominators are equal, then the fractions are called like fractions. Now leave the denominators and compare the numerators. It is 64, it is 105. Out of the two fractions, which is the greater fraction? 64 or 105? 105 is a greater fraction. So 3 by 4 of 1 by 2 is a greater fraction. So 3 by 4 of 1 by 2 is greater. Understand? Next, second solution. Sorry, second problem. Have you understood the first problem? Next, second one. One by 2 of 4 by 7. Or 2 by 3 of 3 by 7. Same like first one only, find the solution. 1 by 2 of 4 by 7, that is equal to of represents into 1 by 2 of 4 by 7. 4 ones are 4. Sorry Nana, before going to that, now check here numerator, denominator, numerator, denominator. Is there any possibility to cut? Yes, very good. There is a possibility, that is denominator and numerator with 2 ones are. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. More any possibility? No, there is no more possibility. Multiply the numerators. 1 into 2 by 1 into 7. Now 2 ones are 2, 1 sevens are 7. Complete. Next, take the second one. 2 by 3 of 3 by 7. That is equal to 2 by 3 of 3 by 7. 2 by 3 half means into 3 by 7. Now, is there any possibility to cut? Yes, there is a possibility that both are 3, so only numerator and denominator. These two are prime numbers. For prime numbers, there is no more possibility to cut. Here 3 is also prime number, but in the numerator we have 3, in the denominator we have 3. Here numerator and denominator both are same, so we have to cut. 3 ones are 3 ones are. Now, more any possibility? No. Now multiply the numerators. What are the numerators? 2 into 1 by 1 into 7. 2 ones are 2, 7 ones are 7. Now, can you say 1 by 2 of 4 by 7? We got 2 by 7. 2 by 3 of 3 by 7? We got 2 by 7. Now, can you say out of these two fractions which is the greater one and which is the smaller one? No. We cannot say which is the greater one and which is the smaller one because both are same. 2 by 7 for the first one we got 2 by 7, for the second one also we got 2 by 7. So you have to write both are equal. Both are equal. So up to here enough. Up to third bit I have explained all problems. You have to copy all the problems into your notebook. In up to exercise 3 up to third bit, if you have any doubts, ask to me, I will explain again. Complete your homework up to here.